Hi guys, good morning to all, and in today's video I would love to share you our blessing. And so I have a neighbor, Ate Rosemary, the owner of the American Man Filipino Wife YouTube channel, has ordered a potato cheese or rice cake. So I'm so happy because I got up this morning and I have some blessing from people. And now I have some money to buy for ingredients for the potato cheese or rice cake. So I can make the order for tomorrow, and I will have some money. Um, so thank you everyone for your continuing supporting my channel, and hopefully I will be able to get monetized very soon. So thank you guys. I hope you will enjoy this video, and I know they made this video last time, but this one is for a precise and a more clearer. Yeah, then thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you so much, everyone, for all your support to me. And let's go. I show you are the ingredients and the procedure of the cooking potato cheese. I have a big bowl here, or the uh, small tub, or and then also evaporated milk, the eating cheese, and especially the flour, the white sugar, and the baking, and 2 eggs, and also the melted butter. So first is I'm going to sift the flour to get out the whole ones. So we need to sift. I have one here. It is a very important to the procedure, guys, that sift the flour. Just like this. Next, the baking powder. Find all the ingredients, the dry ingredients, guys. Combine all the dry ingredients. Then mix the wheat ingredients. Crack the 2 eggs. And especially thankful, guys. Thank you to the person that who sent me a blessing. 2 times na he sent me his blessing. But even though just like a small amount for his, but for me it's a big help, or big amount na de. I'm so very happy. And the next, that 2 can of evaporated milk. And also the melted margarine. Melted margarine. Then mix all together. Then I'll put 2 cups of water. Then combine the all dry and wet ingredients. Then mix. When the consistency, the photo butter is just like this, it's okay na because we need to separate it. Uh, don't overmix the photo butter because the corn is not good. I'm gonna separate the butter, photo butter, just like this. So, so the outcome of the photo cheese is fluffy and smooth. Cut the cheese into small pieces, just like this. Just like this. Cut that. I cover the knife into the cling wrap because it is my technique to do the cheese is not sticky to the knife. Just like on guys size, this size. I cut this size. Then put the photo butter on the molder, this size. I use this size of photo molder. Then put the eating cheese on the top of the molder or in the photo butter. Then I already boiled water on the steamer so that later is gonna ready to put the photo butter on the steamer because it's already boiled. Right now the ready to cook photo butter is will transfer the on the steamer. So as you can see, ah, so transfer the steamer. They put it in the fire. And cover. Don't forget to put uh, clean clean clothes on the lid or on the top of the cover so that the photo cheese did not drop a water from the lid. So because when the water is dropped into the photo cheese, the photo cheese is not good. The result is not good. That's why the very important is cover a clean clothes on the lid. Yes. Then wait about for about 12 minutes. After 12 minutes, guys, I check if they already done cook. So I'm excited for the result. I hope that good result, not bad. Char. Wow. Wow, perfect. Look at the result. Wow. It's so nice. So I'm so happy that my photo cheese now is so good. And the result is so perfect, just like this. So I transfer it, then I proceed to the next batch. Look at how beautiful the photo cheese that I make, guys. Wow. Perfect. And also, so the smell is so good. Thank you so much for the person that I order here, the American man, Filipino white. They ordered a photo cheese, so that I'm so happy because I have a little bit of, that earn money. Yeah. Thank you, God. Thank you, Ate Rose. Thank you so much, Ate Rose. Then, I want to proceed the next batch. Labot. This so smoky, guys, because of the firewood. So smoke. Time is I'm packing the arrange and pack the photo cheese that I that Ate Rosemary order. Then and put banana leaves on the bilao. That's why the arrangement is a good looking. Yes. So let's I can arrange. And I'm done for arrangement. Right now is I'm going to put a cling wrap. This is a 40 pieces of photo cheese because the Ate Rosemary ordered to me is 60 pieces, but the 20 pieces is separate pag pack. So this one is 40 pieces only. The 20 is the she said to separate the pack the 20 pieces. Then look at the photo cheese, so nice and also yummy and delicious. For those who want to order here near in our place, just message me on my Facebook or or Messenger. I'll cook for you if you want to order. I'm done for making and packing the photo cheese that Ate Rose ordered, the American Man Filipino Wife YouTube channel. So thank you so much, and I'm pretty sure that it's so very delicious and yummy. Thank you, guys. Thank you for watching my videos, and hopefully you don't get tired to supporting me every day and support my channel. Thank you so much. Then I'm taking a picture for a thumbnail. Time, guys, is I'm going to deliver the photo cheese that Ate Rose ordered. And then she said that she go to the place that we're meet up. So I'm so sorry, Ate Rose, nauli ko. Because I need to take off my kids first. I'm doing hair bath. The bath my children before. Oh my God, it's rain. It's raining. We need to run. Lord, it's rain. Bye. Ay, kang siyan day birthday. Asa man ibutang? Absent na yan. Sian's birthday, the nephew of Ate Rose.